Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a fantastic new update for the Messenger app on PC. Have you ever wished you could mark certain communities as unread? Well, now you can. This feature can really help you keep track of important conversations without losing sight of what matters. So, let's jump right in and learn how to easily mark a community as unread on your Messenger app. First things first, make sure you've got the Messenger app open on your PC. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it from the official website or your app store. Once you're all set, log into your account to access your chats, communities, and more. Now that you're in, take a moment to scan through your list of conversations. Look for the communities you want to mark as unread. These could be group chats that are bustling with activity or discussions that you want to revisit later. Whatever the case may be, it's essential to find the right community to manage your notifications effectively. Once you've located the community in question, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice 3 little dots appear on the right side of the community name. These dots are your gateway to a host of options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal the drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the Mark as Unread option. Click on that, and just like that, your community is marked as unread. This simple action will help you keep track of any important updates or messages you haven't had a chance to read yet. And there you have it. Marking communities as unread on the Messenger app is a quick and effective way to organize your conversations,